Hello everyone, this is Beverly Jhune P. Tuban, a second-year college student taking up Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in English. So for today, I'm going to explain to you or to share to you my own analysis of our given topic, which is the region literature of the region 13, which is BARMM. So what I have chosen as a literary piece is a poem, which is entitled 5 Math Poems by Eileen Tupas. Title: 5 Math Poems by Eileen Tupas. Diction. The diction of the poem 5 Math Poems by Eileen Tupas is about the mathematical concepts used in the reality. It is also about the person in the future who are destined to be our partner and the essence of our life. Structure. The structure of this poem is a blank verse. A blank verse is a poem with no rhyme but does have iambic pentameter. The author used this structure because it has a conventional meter that is used for verse drama and long narrative poems, and also it consists of lines of 5 feet, each foot being iambic, meaning 2 syllables long, one unstressed followed by a stressed syllable. The persona in this poem expressed his or her thoughts through the poem. Imagery and symbol. The imagery is used mostly in the poem is the sense of sight. The persona expressed his or her thoughts dramatically through the poem. The author used some of particular words that create visual representation of ideas in our minds. The symbols used to convey the message are the mathematical terms and identities like zero vector, conformity, soulmate, diagonal matrix, and identity matrices. These symbols help in conveying the message of the poem. The poem convey the message to someone directly or indirectly through your words. So for the overall essence of the poem, I am going to share to you my own understanding of how important is the poem to everyone who will be able or who will read the poem. So, as I have read the poem myself, I have understood that the poem itself uses different terms in mathematics, and these terms has this deep meaning in each stanza of the given poem. But the overall thought of the poem was that 1. Everyone is worthy to be loved and to love other people. But of course, to give love, you have to equalize everything. You know, to love other people, you have to love yourself first. And you have to know your value as a person before you value others. So second thing that I have understood was that it mentions their physical attributes of a person. I have understood that to love other people, the physical attributes doesn't matter anymore. It will never ever matter if you really love the person. If you love someone, he may be dark, he may be not tall, he may not be fat, he may be skinner, or he may be somewhat, in a low class of people. But what matters the most is what's inside their hearts and how will they be able to love you as a person and accept you as for who you are. To love other people, you have to give importance not just because they're handsome or they're beautiful, they're talented, they're intelligent, whatsoever. What matters the most is that someone brings out the best in you, even though you're not as perfect as the other persons out there. No one is perfect, but you may be someone better. And if that person, or if a person you love particularly see you as a better person, that is the true essence of love. So that would be all, and hope that you've understand my analysis or the poem analysis that I have performed just today, and hope that it will be very, very helpful for you to understand the said poem that I had explained to you a while ago. So again, this is Beverly Jhune Tuban, a second-year college student taking up Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in English. Bye!